not my first video on this platform technically, uh, but I guess this is the first video that I'm shooting on this all new YouTube channel. Let's go. I'm not afraid of camera. I'm pretty much confident in front of it, but anyway, let's start with an introduction. Myself, Dhruv. Yeah, short name. And as the channel name suggests, Guy they call DD. DD has been my nickname since school days, and it has been carried on since then. Age 26. I know. Stop judging me. I know I'm late on YouTube. Like, there are so many bomb-ass content creators that inspire me so much, and like, they're just 16, 18, 20, like, crazy amount of talent over here, and I wanted to do something consistent. I have been failing to YouTube since 3 to 4 years when my college end, but I'm trying to be consistent here now, and this is why I started with a fresh channel with some other motives, and that I'll be revealing one by one. This being my first video, I wanted to keep it subtle, a nice little introduction to just boost my confidence that yay, the first video is out. But wait. I guess everyone has an intro to their channel, right? And I completely missed it. I missed it just in the excitement of shooting this. I got the intro too. Your boy got the intro too. And it's just here, okay? I'm just placing, not like the ordinary people do in the start. I'll place it right now. Like right now.
It's like a loop machine. All around town, people trying to get down. It's like a loop machine.
So we have an intro now, and I guess this will be going for long unless I come up with a new idea or a creative intro approach. Let's see how I do this. But now the most important part of this video, that what this channel will be about, what's it gonna contain, how I'm going to deliver, and what I'm going to deliver. So I'll just show you guys. Being a freelancer, it will be about my creative approach towards a client's requirement and what are the basic principles of design and how I see this field in my own way. We are going to pretty much talk about it. The main motive of this channel will be how I'm going to approach towards my dream project. I don't know whether I'll succeed or not, but it talks about storytelling and character building. I'm still a learner, and I'll try to build that thing from scratch on this channel. Apart from graphic designing and motion VFX and that vast project that I displayed, I'll also be putting all my skills here, like my previous channel, this one, which I'm not using because of the copyright strikes that I received. It was all about dancing, where I used to just dance wherever I used to perform, wherever I used to compete. So it was not all planned or decided. The channel will also showcase my skills, whatever I have learned all these years and whatever I perceive through this art form, dance. I'll be putting up concept videos, and I have in mind a lot of things, and I'll try to execute them one by one. But for all the dance videos and raw footages, you can also follow me where I post not that much regular, but on Instagram. If you are here on this video through my Instagram, that's really great. But if you have come here from a recommendation or from just YouTube search, you can check me out on Instagram. If you haven't, here it is. That's all for introduction, and if you are watching my video from the first one, this video, and you want to be part of my journey, you can hit like, share, and subscribe. Share, I don't think so, not right now, unless I put up some videos maybe. Yeah, that's it from my side. I'll sign off, and do not forget your mask.